How to fix Slack cannot screen share. To fix the Slack cannot screen share issue, first of all, ensure you are using the native Huddle feature instead of the legacy video calls, and verify that your operating system has granted Slack screen recording permissions. First things first, if the screen or the share screen icon is grayed out or gives a permission error, you simply have to go ahead and open your device's setting panel. Once you open it, head to the applications or search for applications. Open all the applications list over here. Tap on the search bar on the top right, then search for Slack. Once you find it, you simply have to go ahead and tap on this. Now scroll downwards and you'll find the advanced option over here. Tap on this display over other applications and make sure to turn this feature on. Once you do this, once again, head to the permissions and make sure that the contacts and account, music and audio, as well as photos and videos options are also allowed to the application. Once you do this, your problem should be fixed.